G. This is the diagram showing the fixed principle. You can see in blue diagram figure 2019 of Guyton 13th edition, page number is 257. 160 ml per liter oxygen, right heart, deoxygenated blood. Blood is oxygenated in the lungs. 200 to 250 ml oxygen is used in the lungs, and in arterial blood oxygen concentration is, this is the oxygen concentration. This can also be used in the fixed principle. बाकी हम जूम लेक्चर में इसको डिटेल में और देखेंगे. मैंने अभी आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया. अब हम आते हैं सेकंड मेथड. नाउ वी कम टू द सेकंड मेथड ऑफ डिटर्मिनिंग द cardiac output by dye dilution method. Two dyes can be used, Evans blue and cardiogreen. There are certain properties of the dye which you should note. डाई जो हैं उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती हैं जो आपको पता होनी चाहिए. मैं वो प्रॉपर्टीज़ आपको लिखवा भी देती हूँ. नंबर 1 इज़ डाई शुड नॉट बी टॉक्सिक. बॉडी के लिए टॉक्सिक नहीं होनी चाहिए. डाई शुड नॉट मेटाबलाइज इन द बॉडी. डाई का बॉडी में मेटाबॉलिज्म नहीं होना चाहिए. डाई शुड बी डिफ्यूजिबल एंड डज नॉट लीव द सर्कुलेशन. डिफ्यूज़ होनी चाहिए और सर्कुलेशन को छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए उसको. तो डाई हम कितनी लेते हैं? 5 मिलीग्राम डाई जो है वो हम एक्चुअली लेते हैं. 5 मिलीग्राम ऑफ द डाई इज़ इंजेक्टेड at 0 time, and on x axis we take time in seconds, and on y axis we take dye concentration in an artery, and we plot a graph. And from this graph we can determine the cardiac output. How? This I'm going to explain you now. 5 milligram of the cardiogreen or Evans blue dye is injected at 0 time. This is the 0 time. Dye is injected and dye appears in circulation just suppose after 3 seconds, and concentration of dye starts rising. Then the concentration of dye starts falling, and where it falls, that is taken as the zero concentration, although the dye concentration does not become to zero in circulation. And from this we plot a graph, and this graph explains how cardiac output can be measured. The dye when we inject dye into circulation, 3 seconds after injection, the arterial concentration of the dye rises rapidly to a maximum of about 6 to 7 seconds. ठीक है, 6 to 7 seconds में dye जो है उसकी maximum concentration हो जाती है. ये देखें, ये maximum concentration है और ये हमने टाइम लिया हुआ, तो आप देख रहे हैं 6 to 7 seconds में maximum हो जाती है. उसके बाद after that the concentration falls rapidly, but before the concentration reaches zero, some of the dye had already circulated all the way through some of the peripheral systemic vessels and returned to the heart for a second time. ठीक है, ये जो सारा ग्राफ है ये वाला, ये डाई की एक सर्कुलेशन को एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है कि डाई जो है वो आर्टरी में एंटर हुई और उसने अपनी एक सर्कुलेशन कंप्लीट की. बाकी सारा सर्कुलेशन कंप्लीट करके ये उसकी सेकंड सर्कुलेशन को जो है एक्सप्लेन करता है. ठीक है, and for the purpose of calculation it is necessary to extrapolate the early downslope of the curve to the 0 point as shown by the dashed portion of the curve. This is the dashed portion of the curve, right? In the systemic artery, without recirculation can be made in its first portion and estimated reasonably. Now we come to the formula, that is cardiac output ml per minute is equal to milligram of dye injected, that is 5 milligram, 5 into 60 divided by average concentration of dye in each ml of blood for the duration of the curve multiplied by duration of the curve in seconds. Right? We use this formula and we calculate the cardiac output.